Just came back from the gym and I'm ready to start working today. Today I work from home. Usually I go to office like Tuesday to Thursday because my manager will be in. So let's start working. For lunch, I'm thinking to have my leftover bagel and I'll probably cook up some beef because I bought new beef from Costco yesterday and I really want to try if it's good. So let's see what I can make out of it. Hello, I just cooked up some lunch today. It's gonna be a really simple lunch. I have my egg, my bagel with scallion cream cheese and some beef for protein. Very easy, very quick. Have to work, so this will be my lunch. Taste test. It's better than I thought. Alright. So good.
They feed for extensive periods and at large volumes up to 500 times their body weight. This would be the equivalent of a 100 in violation of section 423, subsection 4C, subsection 32-B, formerly known as section 424, subsection...
Enough. That's more painful than ticks.
So the parcel holder requests that the reading of the citation be waived? Waive it. Just tell me what the hell's wrong with my greenhouse. It's built too close to the edge of your property.
It's miles away from the edge of my property.
It's 9.5 feet from the edge of your property.
Exactly.
According to town codes, no new structure can come within 10 feet of the edge of your property.
Oh, that's a technicality.
No, that...
Recently, I'm really liking this coffee. Tastes really good. So good. Hi, for dinner I'm having some rice with chicken that I bought from Costco. I'll show you in a bit how I have